Alright, we are going to demonstrate opening an existing TEISS project. And we recommend that you just watch at this point rather than trying to follow along on this part of the presentation. So the first thing you want to do is find the TEISS view icon in the start menu on your computer. So here it is, and you click on that, and TEISS opens up, and this is the opening screen that you're always going to see every time you open TEISS. Then you click on the OK button. Two icons on the top, and those are the new icon and the open icon, and those are the only ones that are active right now. And we are going to start by clicking on the open since we're opening an existing project. And in this screen you can see that it pops up with the last project that has been opened on this computer, and you'll see there's one with a file name extension of .tsp and one with an extension of .dat, and that shows up as a folder. The one you always want to open is the one with the TSP file name extension. And if you aren't seeing file name extensions on your computer, we have a video on our website that shows you how to do that, so please refer to that if you're not seeing the file name extensions. So I'm going to open the Arizona GPR import training.tsp file by clicking on it and then clicking on the open button. And this shows the application credential screen that is always going to show up every time you open a TEISS project. And you'll see that by default, the username is set as administrator and the password is waiting for you to type it in. And that password is TEISS with a capital T, and it must be capitalized because the password is case sensitive. So I'm going to type that in. Then I'm going to click on the OK button, and then TEISS does some work before it can open up your project.
And this is the opening screen you get when you open up any of your TEISS projects. And what this screen is it's a list of things that you commonly do in TEISS. So there's several things on here that you can do, but we're not going to be using the screen right now. We're going to be using that in future modules. So I'm going to click cancel on this screen for now, but we will revisit this in a future module. So I'll click cancel. And now we get the opening screen of TEISS, and we can see the map, and we can see on the right side of the screen there is facilities, release points, and non-point data, and that's because I have already imported NEI data into the TEISS project. And you can also see that there is not any reservations shown on the map, and that's because I did not select to import reservations during the generation of this TEISS project.
And right now it's zoomed in, so you'll see that we are showing just a tiny portion of what is the map. If I zoom out here with this button, you will see that this is the entire state of Arizona, and the little blue dots are the facilities, and that's because I already imported NEI data for this project. We highly recommend that you make a sticky note and put it on your computer and keep your password on that sticky note. So put down administrator and TEISS with a capital T on your computer so that you'll always have that handy.